Apple has been the center of attention in the smartphone industry, with every new iPhone launch setting the standard for the rest of the competition. But if the latest leaks are to be believed, the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max is about to completely change the game. This device isn't just another yearly refresh, it's shaping up to be one of the most radical upgrades Apple has ever attempted. The phrase "Apple finally did the impossible" isn't just a clickbait tagline this time. It actually reflects the groundbreaking innovations that insiders claim will debut with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. From design breakthroughs to futuristic hardware and even software powered by AI at levels we've never seen before, this phone could redefine what a smartphone means in 2025 and beyond. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. First, let's talk about the design changes because that's where Apple seems to be taking the boldest leap. For the first time in iPhone history, the iPhone 17 Pro Max might be completely buttonless and portless. This isn't just a rumor pulled out of thin air. Multiple industry analysts, including some of the most reliable Apple leakers, have suggested that Apple has been working tirelessly on a truly wireless future. Imagine a phone without any physical buttons, no volume rockers, and not even a charging port. Instead, everything would be managed through haptic feedback zones on the sides of the device, combined with Apple's advanced MagSafe 2.0 wireless charging technology. This would mark the end of the Lightning cable and even the USB-C era for iPhones, essentially pushing the industry toward a wireless-only ecosystem. Of course, design doesn't stop at buttons and ports. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to feature a foldable-inspired display material without actually being foldable. Apple has reportedly created a new, self-healing glass technology that allows the phone to resist scratches and minor cracks in a way no smartphone has before. This isn't sci-fi anymore. Patents have revealed that Apple has been experimenting with materials that can repair themselves using heat or pressure. If this makes it into the iPhone 17 Pro Max, it would be a massive leap in durability. Now let's dive into display technology, an area where Apple already leads but is about to dominate even further. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to debut with a true micro-LED promotion display, which not only offers better brightness, deeper blacks, and insane color accuracy, but also drastically improves energy efficiency. With this, users could expect battery life to stretch much further, possibly delivering up to 3 full days of use on a single charge under normal conditions. On top of that, Apple is said to be shrinking the bezels to an almost invisible level, finally giving us a near all-screen device. And yes, the dynamic island might evolve or even disappear entirely, as Apple perfects under-display Face ID and under-display camera technology. That means a completely uninterrupted display experience for the first time ever on an iPhone. But the real impossible leap comes from the performance and chipset powering the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple is reportedly moving to the A21 Bionic chip, which could be the first iPhone processor built on a 1.5 nanometers process node. To put that into perspective, this would make it one of the most efficient and powerful processors in the world, far ahead of anything Qualcomm or Samsung has in development right now. Early benchmarks suggest performance levels that rival desktop-class computing, meaning the iPhone 17 Pro Max could potentially replace laptops for many professionals. Combine that with Apple Intelligence, the company's new AI-powered ecosystem,